Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online bank account password of Wells Fargo. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a wellsfargo.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Wells Fargo, you can see the login form where you need to provide your username, then password, then click on sign in where you will get logged into your banking account of Wells Fargo. But as we are going to recover our password or username, we will click on the link provided forgot password/username. Click on it. Now here you can recover your username or password just clicking on either create new password or either find username. If you want to create a new password, then you click on create new password. Here to create a new password, you need to provide your username and social security number SSN or individual tax identification number ITIN. Then you click on continue where you can get your password. Just as in username, you click on find username. Now to find your username or to recover your username, you need to provide social security number SSN or individual tax identification number ITIN. Then you need to provide your password, then click on continue. Then you can recover your username. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can recover online bank account password or username of Wells Fargo. Thank you.